Hello everybody, good afternoon. I am Mamta Rana and your math teacher. And today we are here for refreshment online class. And now I am going to teach for class 2, 3 and class 4. And today we are here on the topic of smallest and greatest number of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 digit. And first I told you how to form the smallest and the greatest number by from 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, 5 digit, 6 and 7 digit. As we know, the smallest number of 1 digit is 1 and the greatest number of 1 digit is 9. And if we add 1 to the greatest number of 1 digit, 9 plus 1, 10. This 10 is the smallest number of 2 digit. So 10 is the smallest number of 2 digit. Here in 10 we found 2 digit, that is 1 and 0. Yes, and the greatest number of 2 digit, that is 99. Here is also we found 2 digit 9 and 9. So this 99 is the greatest number of 2 digit, and the smallest number of 2 digit, that is 10. And the smallest number of 3 digit, what will be? Obviously that is 100. 1 0 0 100. 1 0 0. Here we used 3 digit. Yes, that is 1 and 2 0. So this 100 is the smallest number of 3 digit. And what will be the greatest number of 3 digit? Obviously 999. Yes, 9 9 and 9. And we read as 999. The greatest number of 3 digit is 999. And now the greatest number of 4 digit. The greatest number of 4 digits, that will be 1 and how many 0? 3 0. Yes, 1 0 0 0. And we read as this is 1000. So 1000 is the greatest number of 4 digit. And smallest number of 4 digit. And the greatest number of 4 digit, that will be how many 9? 4 9. Yes, 9999. And we read as 9999. The greatest number of 4 digit, that will be 9999. Now 5 digit. The smallest number of 5 digit, that is 1 0 0 0 and next 0. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. Here is 5 digit used, and 1 0 0 0 0, that is the smallest number of 5 digit. And we read as 10,000. This is 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest number of 5 digit. And the greatest number of 5 digit, that will be how many 9? 5 9. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5. The greatest number of 5 digit, that is 99999. And we read as 99,999. 99,999 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 6 digit 1 and 50. And how we read is? This is 1 lakh. Yes? 1 lakh is the smallest number of 6 digit. And greatest number of 6 digit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 9, 6, 9. Yes? 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. This is the greatest number of 6 digit. And how we read it? 9,99,999. 9,99,999 is the greatest number of 6 digit. And the greatest number of 7 digit is 1 and how many 0? 6 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here it is 7 digit used. Yes? So, this is the smallest number of 7 digit. And how we read it? Pasal report 10 lakh. Prakriya 10 lakh. Yes, 10 lakh is the smallest number of 7 digit. And the greatest number of 7 digit will be how many 9? 7, 9. And how to read it? 99 lakh. Yes? 99 lakh, 99,999. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yes, so 99 lakh, 99,999 is the greatest number of 7 digit. And now I am going to teach you their sum and the difference of smallest and greatest number. Their sum. Sum of smallest and greatest number of 4 digit. What will be the sum of smallest and the greatest number of 4 digit? We know that the greatest and the smallest number of 4 digit from this table. Yes? So, first write down smallest number. Smallest number. What will be? Smallest number of 4 digit? 1000. Yes? We know already 1000 is the smallest number of 4 digit. And the greatest number? Greatest number of 4 digit, that is 9,999. And sum means what? Sum means addition. Yes? To find out the sum, we should do 8. We should add that number. If we add these two numbers, then we get the sum. Okay? Sum means doing addition, plus. So let's add it. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. 0 plus 9, 9. And 1 plus 9, that is 10. Yes? What is the sum of smallest and the greatest number of 4 digits? 10,999. Likewise, we can find out the difference also. Difference of smallest and greatest number of 5 digit. Now we are going to find out the difference of smallest and greatest number of 5 digit. Yes, difference means In the case of subtraction, always we should put the greatest number at the top. Yes. In addition, no matter if you put either greater number of or smallest number of, yes, but in the difference we have to put the greatest number of, because smaller number is subtracted from greatest number. Yes, greatest number is not subtracted from smallest number. We can subtract 5 minus 2, that is 3. We can't subtract this 5 from 2. Yes, can you do this? 2 minus 5? No, it is not possible. Yes, so we have to put in the difference for the greatest number. First write greatest number. Greatest number of 5 digit. Greatest number of 5 digit, that is how many 9? 5 9. Yes, 9 9 9 9 9. And we read is 99,999 is the greatest number of 5 digit. First of all, we have to put the greatest number up and down, smallest number, then only we can subtract. Only we can find out the difference. Now put the smallest number. Smallest number is 1 and how many 0? 4 0. And the difference means subtraction. Minus. We have to do here minus. So this is very easy to subtract. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, again 9. 9 minus 0, 9. And 9 minus 1, that is 8. 89,999. This is the difference of smallest and the greatest number of 5 digits. Okay, students, and I want to say for class 4 students, you can do more practice in your home. You can find out the smallest and greatest number of 8 digit, 9 digit, 10 digit also. Yes, in your copy as a practice. And today in class only I told you the smallest and the greatest number of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Likewise, by same method you can find out the smallest and the greatest number of 8 digit, 9 digit, 10 digit also. Okay, you can do for class 4, especially for class 4, and class 2 and class 3 I think it will be enough for 7 digit for class 2 and 3. For class 4 you have to do yourself at home. This 8 digit smallest number and 8 digit greatest number smallest number you have to find out at your home. And I think I completed this session, and now I am going to give you homework. Now start writing homeworks. Homework for class 2. Write the smallest and greatest number of 5 digit. Write the smallest and greatest number of 5 digit. Question number 1 and question number 2 is each 7 7 7 7 7 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Each 7 7 7 is the greatest number of 7 digit. Each 7 7 7 7 7 7 7 is the greatest number of 7 digit. If yes, then write yes. No, then write no. Okay. Question number 3. Find the sum of smallest and greatest number of 4 digits. Find the sum of smallest and greatest number of 4 digits. First write the smallest number and the greatest number of 4 digits and find its sum. And I already told you, if sum, then you have to do addition or subtraction. You do it, okay? And question number 4. Find the difference of smallest and greatest number of 5 digits. Find the difference of smallest and greatest number of 5 digits. Here you have to find out the difference of smallest and greatest number of 5 digits. Okay? Class 3 and 4. Homework for class 3 and 4. Write the smallest and greatest number of 8 digits. Write the smallest and the greatest number of 8 digits. Is 10 lakh is the greatest number of 7 digits? Next question number 2. Is 10 lakh is the greatest number of 7 digits? Okay, and question number 3. Find the sum of smallest and the greatest number of 7 digits. Find the sum of smallest and the greatest number of 7 digits. This is question number 3 and question number 4. Find the difference of smallest and the greatest number of 8 digits. And question number 5. Yes. Find the product. I give here product. Class 3 and 4, you are not unknown from product. You already read, yes, in junior classes. Product means multiply. Yes. To find out the product, we should do multiply. I teach you here only sum and difference. Yes. And I give here for class 3 and class 4 product also. Product means to find out the product we should do multiply. And already we did multiply in our junior classes. So I give here as a question number 5. Find the product of smallest and greatest number of 3 digits. First write the smallest and greatest number of 3 digits, then do multiply and you get the product. Okay? Thank you class.